Do you like to be in the fifth dimension? Do you like to be already in your potential as human? Just stop believing and start questioning all the beliefs that are in you, that you have adopted as yours, about who you are, about what is real and what is not real. Start questioning and open your heart. Start feeling more and thinking less. And you'll see that we are actually here and now in a planet that we could call paradise. The Garden of Eden is here. It never went anywhere. It's just our perception of it. And the increasing and limiting beliefs about our reality, about who we are and how we relate with this world, with this planet, here and now. You're not gonna find the fifth dimension in the future. You're not gonna find it in the past either. It's just here and now. And everything is provided for you, for your experience. We're gonna explore in detail the last weekend of this month, the last weekend of April in Miami. Minsu and I, we're gonna be there for a weekend doing a deep exploration, a deep transformational healing, a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, of healing and exploration to find that we are in the fifth dimension, here and now. And when we stop our mind into that space of presence, we can create what we want. We can be who we really are, and we can open up to a bigger, greater, higher experience of reality with us in it. Contact us, contact me, contact Minsu, and come. We have a limited space. Small group, 10, 15 max. And we'll enjoy the pleasure of being a human in the fifth dimension.